Where is the longest mountain range on our planet located? Andes, Himalayas, Mid-Ocean Ridge, Cordilleras. Correct answer, Mid-Ocean Ridge. What popular soft drink was originally sold as a medicine? Pepsi-Cola, Sprite, Coca-Cola, Dr. Pepper. Correct answer, Coca-Cola. Where does more than 50% of the Earth's oxygen supply come from? The Amazon rainforest, the Siberian taiga, African savannas, the world ocean. Correct answer, the world ocean.